What would happen if a massive asteroid was headed towards Earth today? Imagine the scenario. 66 million years ago, our planet experienced this very event. An unwelcome guest from the cosmos, the Chicxulub impactor, a 6-mile-wide asteroid, made a catastrophic entrance. This space rock's arrival wasn't just a flashy light show in the sky. Its impact was so powerful that it induced a mass extinction, extinguishing the reign of the mighty dinosaurs. A reign that had lasted for over 160 million years was obliterated in what must have felt like the blink of an eye. Forests were flattened, oceans boiled, and the sky was blotted out for years, leading to a global winter. The world as the dinosaurs knew it was over. Now, as we ponder this cataclysmic event, an important question arises. Could we, the inhabitants of Earth today, survive a similar impact? Let's delve deeper. Enter NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office, our first line of defense against these cosmic threats. This office, a specialized division within NASA, shoulders the immense responsibility of keeping us safe from potentially hazardous asteroids. It's like the cosmic equivalent of a goalkeeper, constantly scanning the skies for any celestial objects that could pose a threat to our planet. The Planetary Defense Coordination Office collaborates closely with the International Asteroid Warning Network, a global network of organizations committed to detecting, monitoring, and tracking near-Earth objects. Together, they've identified and are keeping tabs on over 34,000 near-Earth asteroids. That's right, 34,000 celestial objects, each one carefully tracked and monitored. The science behind it is fascinating. By observing these asteroids over time, NASA can calculate their orbits and predict their paths with a high degree of confidence. This allows them to forecast if and when an asteroid might come a little too close for comfort. But it's not just about observation and prediction. The Planetary Defense Coordination Office also plans for the unthinkable. They have strategies in place for deflecting asteroids that might be on a collision course with Earth, using spacecraft to gently nudge them off course. However, this is not a last-minute solution. Successfully deflecting an asteroid requires at least 5 to 10 years' notice. If we find out about an incoming asteroid too late, destruction might be the only option. This makes the work of the Planetary Defense Coordination Office all the more crucial. Their focus is on early detection to give us the best chance of averting any catastrophic impact. But what if one of these space rocks is on a collision course with Earth? NASA is not just watching these asteroids, it's preparing to act. Imagine a spacecraft sent by NASA with the sole mission of altering an asteroid's course. That's one of the ingenious deflection techniques NASA has up its sleeve. But it's not as simple as it sounds. The spacecraft would need to collide with the asteroid, and the resulting momentum change would slowly, over time, shift the asteroid's path. This isn't something that can be done overnight or even over a year. For a successful deflection, NASA needs an advance notice of at least 5 to 10 years. Sounds like a lot of time, right? But considering the vastness of space and the speed at which these celestial bodies move, that's barely enough. But what happens if we don't have that much time? If an asteroid is detected hurtling towards us with less notice? Well, here's where it gets a bit grim. Destruction may be the only option. Blowing up the asteroid may seem like a Hollywood trope, but it's a real consideration. However, it's not as explosive as it sounds. The aim wouldn't be to obliterate the asteroid into oblivion, but to fracture it into smaller, less destructive pieces. This would hopefully reduce the impact and potential devastation. But rest assured, NASA's primary goal isn't destruction, but prevention. The focus remains on early detection to prevent any catastrophic impact on Earth. The more we know, the more we can prepare. The more we can prepare, the better our chances of keeping the Earth safe. Yes, asteroids are unpredictable, but so is the genius of human innovation. So as we keep our eyes on the skies, we can trust that NASA is doing its best to keep us safe. The focus remains on early detection to prevent any catastrophic impact on Earth. So, are we prepared for the next big one, you might ask? Well, let's revisit the key points we've discussed. 66 million years ago, a 6-mile-wide asteroid led to the end of the dinosaur era. A similar event today would have catastrophic consequences. However, we're not sitting ducks waiting for such a disaster. NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office, together with the International Asteroid Warning Network, has taken up the mantle of protecting our planet. They've identified over 34,000 near-Earth asteroids and are tracking their orbits with confidence. In the event of a potential threat, NASA has a few tricks up its sleeve. They can use spacecraft to alter an asteroid's course given enough advance notice. If the time is too tight, destruction might be the only option. The key here is early detection. By keeping an eye on the sky, we can prevent any catastrophic impact on our beloved planet. So as you look up at the night sky, remember that there are dedicated teams working tirelessly to ensure our safety. As we continue to gaze at the stars, remember that NASA is keeping watch, ensuring our planet's safety. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into our universe.